Yeah, because I'm broke na. I'm broke.
Risa, do you think Risa have that?
Huh?
Melvina,
What did you say?
why you asking to me?
Yeah?
Buong ka?
I need some donation, guys. So my 40.
Day, ambot ganun na para siya diri nga. Honey! Honey, are your people okay? Are they okay?
Yeah, broke. Yeah, broke.
Di ko matos? Di ko matos? They're not moving?
Yeah, when they see your score, they comatose.
They can do something. So they don't do comatose. Hoy, Maki boy.
How are you doing, Christian?
Everyone is comatose now.
Yeah, they run. Why they run? They can't snipe now? They cannot snipe? Ay, grabe, wa man siya naghatag. Teka lang, abi na kung na mo snipe. Grabe, wa dyan ni, kuhan ni snipe. I hope she doesn't mind. May hinahanap akong isa.
Nala ko sa ano, yung
Richie!
sugar. Yung sugar
Yes,
candy.
Christy.
Ani, yawa makaburikat ka. Dagay makadihag ko ang gifter.
Hindi, burikat. Awayan ko burikat. Timbi niya, no? Timbi ni
Sige,
Melvina.
awayin natin. Hani, awayin natin siya. Awayin natin siya.
Parang na ano,
Burikat, asa man imo? Where is your gifter, Burikat? You're small, look. This one. My foot.
ang sa akong pera pa.
Your gifter is Starry is too much
Pero
small.
Ronaldo ng 86,000.
My God. Like this one, look.
Small ka
My-
na si Tumas. Do you know that?
Oh my God. Hi, Jaja. Your Starry is too much small, Burikat.
Malit lang.
My God, look. You're zero now.
30.
What is this? Guys, double tap.
Kano nga? Basta ako na.
Yes.
Bakit?
Ha?
Kasi ako nagpaka-shop.
Hi, Carl.
Magdupaldo daw dito sila.
You make sure you're talking that you're gonna have someone there, ha?
Shut up.
Oh my
I
God.
heard someone. Shut up. Starry, you're too much small. Look at the score. Only 3?
Yawa, Maki. Itapon na niya, Maki boy. Sa
My
pagtap,
God,
hindi mo
Starry.
matap. Ni Mal.
My God. Sister, welcome. Guys, we need to win this match, okay? We need to win this match. Because Starry is too much, small.
Unfair! Walawan mo yung kagawayon kari karon day.
Sige na, away ako, day. Honey, oh my God, this girl is too much,
Be careful because the game just started.
Wala kang boses. Mag-headset ka, mag-headset.
Why? Can you not hear me?
No, honey.
Oh.
Yeah. Guys, tap on my face. Tap on my face. Monster, can you tap for me? Thank you. God, welcome. Guys, tap on my face, guys. Tap on my face. Tap on my face. Share the live. Oh my God. You're telling me your story is too much big gifter? What is this? Six score?
Starry is strong. Oh my God.
My God, maybe, he sold your, house. Oh my God, only 200? Stop for lot.
Starry is you know.
Watch out your mouth, Christine. Watch out your mouth because you don't have nobody there.
Hey, oh my
will-
God, oh my God.
You talk when you have people, but you have nobody.
Bad internet, I cannot
200 scores, Astaghfirullah. Small, 200. You should, Starry, if you're strong, you should drop a lion. Astaghfirullah, what is this? Jesus Christ. And then you're telling me, Starry is a big gifter. What is this? Shuhada.
Thank you, Damia. Thank you, Rabbit.
God, my God.
Thank you, Hannah.
Christine! Please,
Yes.
Christine, don't start because I told you you don't have nobody.
Nobody, no, you don't have nobody?
Your people is the one who...
Venom, welcome. No, I have Venom here. Don't you dare.
Why?
Telling me I don't have people here? Duh! Like my food. Venom, hi, Venom. Venom, she bully me talaga, uy.
Venom, but you're broke, Venom. I don't bully her. You're broke.
No, Star is broke. Sorry, you should sleep, brother. You should sleep. You need to sleep.
Go sleep with them.
Right, Venom? We need to sleep early today.
Yeah, go sleep with them.
No, bully mo talaga, Venom. Eh?
Yeah. Oh. Almost
See?
going
Yeah.
to finish the game. Time is almost over. Where are they? The both of you, Honey and Christine.
Shut up. Look at my
Let them
baby.
play. They don't know how to play.
Shut up. Look. Look, my foot. Look. She's always angry. Wala. Venom, don't I'm shy here if I don't snipe.
Don't know how to play. Nobody can
Oh my
drop.
God.
Nobody.
Guys, help me to get points. Let's go.
My foot. My foot. Bleh. My foot, Ritzy. My foot. Starry, you need to bro. Venom, rich member, level 14, mashallah. Woo!
Please,
Honey,
invite ako again.
asan ka?
Okay.
Bakit?
Go. Okay na.
Ritzy, where is your fucking score? Sabati. Para makaano.
What?
Yeah.
You were proud with
My
the
foot.
what your people give you? Also 200, you're proud of it?
Angry. Yes. Yeah, Venom, that's why I need to put See? Oh my God, only 1, 2? Sure, Starry, you need to sleep.
And how about your score?
You need to put the lion if you're
Is
strong.
Venom still there?
My
Venom
Venom is here as a pro.
done.
What is this? No, wait na. The game is not finished. Shut up. You lose earlier. You don't know the word of snipe? Snipe? Honey, mang-away ka nga. Tulungan mo ako. O diba, itong babaeng to, hindi talaga marunong mag-away. What is this?
Because we are in
Looks angry. Yeah. He always angry. My baby is always angry. Look. Because he's always look at Ritzy. Oh my God, he's always bad.
It's not.
Your Starry is need to sleep. Because it's
Anyway,
matanda na.
thank you so much, Hannah. I don't know. Wait.
It's not
Hey,
less bad
magkatayin
because
ko
I
sila dyan.
did not
Yawa
receive
ka.
a 1 I'm going to. There's the people.
Like guys, oh my God. We all go.
Let's see if I get a 1,000 diamonds, I'm going to leave.
What?
Embark.
Oh my God, Hamud, where's your Hamud, honey? Why you not drop something? Like 1,000 or 3,000. Oh my God, broke. Hamod. Good evening, Hamod. Don't broke na, bro.
Hey, Christine,
Guys, I'm going
the
to
whole
leave.
time you keep talking, Christine, but you don't have people, huh? My throat is hurting. You're making me talk.
Ritzy, shut up.
The whole
Shut up.
time you keep talking.
Hamod,
blah, blah,
welcome.
blah.
Shut up. You don't know how I snipe. Wait. Good evening, Hamod. Brother, good evening. How are you? Kefek. Good. Father to Hamod. Snipe.
No.
We can't lose now because not even dropping like 5K. Ay, stubborn. Too much small. Stubborn.
Wooden daw tayo.
Oh God. Magalit na yan sa akin. Hindi kita ipalo. Where is Angel? You need to, you need to invite Angel. Mga away talaga yun. Binom, oh, welcome back, my Binom.
Hi, Brandon.
Shut up. The game is not finished. Binom, you have like, Eshmi, yala, help me. Wow, what happened the score, Binom? You have a gloves. Can you put the gloves? Have mercy on me. Ritzy, oh my God, what is this score? Only 1-2?
Look for your score. Don't look at my score, okay? Focus on your score.
30 seconds,
Focus
Binom.
on your
30 seconds.
scores.
Put
Please.
the gloves in 30 seconds.
Sky.
Gloves.
Hi, ambot oy. Nag-ano man ko sa imo.
Sorry is too much,
Tubig ka.
my
As in,
you're too much gargar, oy. See, your booster is made in China.
You are made in China. You don't have nobody. Shut up.
Ah, you don't have nobody? English, same to me. Don't put the booster, Pino. Put the booster, yalla, play. Oh, see?
Wala.
Pino! MD!
Mama play
Ah,
Bino.
guys,
Then
times
it
one.
broke Bino.
Booster, guys, booster. Booster! Oh, we can't win.
Hi, Glenda.
Hi, how are you? Hi.
Oh my God, the TikTok universe is very late.
I'm not
Honey.
perfect.
Robert, welcome. Binom, thank you so much. MD, Eshmi. Tangina mo, MD. MD. Hi, MD. Eshmi. Kakain talaga kita. MD. Binom. Oh, thank you, Robert.
No, you don't need to say so.
Your TikTok universe, guys, is too much late. Habibti. Habibi, you're too much late.
God,
Together we are.
Hi, thank you so much. Hi, welcome. How are you? How was your day? How was your weekend?
Have you ever have TikTok universe?
Is that okay?
Yes, oh my God. It's late.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi.
Robert, shukran, Robert. I will follow you back. And then, Binom, thank you so much for the TikTok universe. MD, thank you for the lion, MD. Eshmi, Kanjus. Diki, welcome. Thank you for the join my team. Guys, we will win this match.
You're not
Ricky! Guys, wait for the double. We need to win this match because Starry is too much my foot. Very small. Honey, look at Ritzy. What is this? Oh my God. You put the clouds. Oh my God. You put the mess. Astaghfirullah, it's not the game. Don't put the mess, Habibti. Don't put the mess. What is this?
Listen, are you hungry? Guys,
If you play like this, oh my god, it's very
go eat your rice.
My English is Englishing, Robert. Thank you.
I will tell you, people will get tired of trying, but they will never win.
Shut up, you're my Starry is too much small, wallah. Two roses. Yeah, thank you. Look at look who is winning now. Thank you, it's Vicky. Vino, mashallah guys, thank you so much. Let's see, if you want to play, don't put the mess and then the booster. Voila. Okay?
Okay.
Two times two. Your score is 3 only? Like, oh my god. Small. Oh my god, my foot. Robert. Ashmi. BIP, welcome. Guys, double. Mwah. Thank you, guys. See your score. Only 3. You're telling me your Sari is very big gifter? What is this 3 score? Not small. Thank you guys, Robert. Mashallah, Robert, your first time coming in my live, Robert. Thank you so much, mashallah.
No, mashallah. You know who's Robert? Mashallah, Robert is from me. I don't give him attention. That's why he go to you. Mashallah, Robert.
Oh, now he's mine now. He's mine now.
I don't care. I don't try to own him also because he's broke. I don't try to own him. He's broke. I don't reply him.
You're broke because you have a 3 score. Oh god.
Robert, I don't you broke.
And then you will put the mess again.
Tara na, inom na tayo.
Tell Ritzy I hate her. Okay, you hate.
Of course he hates me because I don't give him attention. I don't read his message. I don't reply his message request. It's okay. He can hate me whatever he wants. I don't care.
You dream.
I choose who I want to do. Fucker. I don't care.
That's why you're like this? What is this? You have a glove, guys. Robert, we need to win. Yalla guys.
Robert, I told you don't trust because Robert can't drop that much. Shut up.
Guys, snipes.
Come
Sorry,
on.
my foot.
Alas!
Guys, snipes.
So much.
Snipe. Let him snipe. Oh, where's Robert?
Shut up.
Robert, where's the snipe?
Meow. My foot, you're small. Sorry, my dear, you're too much small. You need to stay. How many times I told you? You're small. Sorry, is very small. You settle down. Girl, you need to settle down, okay? Because you're... Tell to your gifter, Starry, you're too much small. Like my foot.
I told you small can't be too much, okay? Small can't be too much, yeah.
Robert, did you hear that? Don't, No, but I will fight for you,
Robert wants
Robert.
me to-
Let's double. Tap on my face. Tap on my face. Binom, shukran, Binom. Won. Yes, we won. Times two. Thank you, Robert, for topping. Thank you, Binom.
Yeah, Robert will not give any more. I'm telling you that.
Let's see. You hate Robert? I love Robert here.
I don't hate him. He hates me. But I don't mind. I don't care.
My God, pretty girl.
Not pretty girl. I'm pretty.
Can you tell to Starry is very small? Can you tell to him, Starry how much small? You
I
need
don't
to
hate you. Why?
I mean, her.
I don't hate you. In love again.
Thank you, guys. Guys, we need to open the double.
I don't
Okay?
care if you're big.
For the double. We need to open the double. This girl, too much girl, oy. What is this?
Go play to her there, okay?
What is this? Hi, Oppa, welcome. Now you run away? What is this? Myong, Sokimo, welcome.
Ah! Hamud run away? Hamud, where are you, Hamud? You run away?
Hamod? Wait na. Binom, welcome back. Wala, Binom, I'm thinking you left. What is this? We need to open the double. We need to win the match. Robert, welcome. He hates you, Ritzy. My. Thank you, Robert. Binom, thank you so much, guys. We need to win this match. Okay?
Robert,
What gloves?
whatever you're trying to do, it's not getting my attention.
Before sleeping. Yes. If I win now, Ritzy, tell to Starry, he needs to sleep. Ano?
No, it's
You
a
need to
pleasure because it's time to sleep here also.
Too much drama.
It's a pleasure if you send him to sleep because it's time to sleep also here.
Too much drama.
Here is 10 o'clock. Do you know here is 10
Yeah.
o'clock in the evening?
You have booster?
Oh, go play with Buster. You still can't win.
Sorry, you're small. We will start.
Stop.
Do you think you will win now? Oh my God, you 2 times you lose. Oh. Ani, snipe, okay? Snipe, my friend, snipe. Wag mo akong hindi. Talaga ako pag natalo tayo ba? See? Ani, she's not doing anything. She don't know how to fight. What is this?
Girl, why? You want to fight? You really want to fight with me? Tell your people to play.
Shut
Tell them
up.
to play. I'm not fighting because
The game is not finished, Habibi. The game is not finished.
Shut up. Your people is broke.
You're broke.
Your
Guys,
people is not play.
Put the gloves.
You're dreaming?
Put the gloves. Put the gloves.
Hey, both of you are broke.
Put the gloves. 20
Robert,
seconds. Put
yalla,
the
yalla,
gloves.
yalla.
Play.
Day, andyan pa si
Put
Hamod.
the gloves. Yeah.
Yalla, snipe.
Let them play.
Snipe, guys. Snipe.
Snipe, guys. Try to make her win so she can have a
Stop.
good. Where is the snipe? Nothing.
Oh.
I told you they
You
cannot.
lost earlier 2 times. 2 times you lose. 2 times you lose, Habibti. 2 times you lose. You win only 1. I have 1. I have 1 left. So, I am the winner. I have won.
Yeah.
Earlier, you lose 2 times. Guys, times two. Oh, it's times 3. It's times 3, guys. Guys, times 3. Read that. Where is your story?
Stop
Where?
asking. Stop
Guys,
asking.
times 3.
Ako.
Robert! Guys, times 3. Times 3. It will become times 3, guys. Times 3. Yalla. Guys, times 3.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna take shower later.
Thank you so
Oh my
much.
God, times 3. Guys, play. You will let this girl ako. Oh, sorry. Why you want to sleep? What is this?
Why don't you tell Robert that if he can't get nothing, he's not gonna go to other side because he's not getting me? That's how he
Wow,
wants.
pretty girl. Pretty girl. So far. There's a pretty girl and a pretty boy.
But I don't care.
Ritzy. Oh my God. Ritzy, do you love Robert? Do you love Robert? Oh, but he don't love you. Sorry. Shut up. Honey,
I'm
asan na si Hamud?
Don't worry, I'm thankful that he don't love me because I don't need his love.
Hamud broke.
I
What
don't
is
even
this?
reply. I need his love.
Mom, I feel you talaga, Bino. Wait na. You don't know Robert, you know? You don't know anything of Robert. He can do anything.
Yeah, talk girl like I don't know him.
Always like this. It's too much girls.
Okay.
He
Too much
don't
girls.
talk.
I don't care if they have a lot. They have a lot of girls. It's their life.
Robert, welcome. Robert. See this Ritzy tell you? What is this?
What?
Ritzy, what is what putang inang yan? Yung English. What do you want to
Why?
choose? Harry or Robert?
I'm choosing nobody. I choose myself.
Okay, Robert, I will marry you tomorrow. Okay? We will marry tomorrow, okay? Because now it's night. I will fix marriage with you, okay?
Andy,
Guys. And he answered, okay. Astaghfirullah.
Robert, is that what you're really doing, Robert? You're really trying to fight?
Yes. Because we are strong. Ritzy broke my heart. Oh my God, Ritzy, what is this? What the hell?
Love you tonight. I don't broke his heart. I don't give him attention because I don't want to. I told you. I don't care. Now he know. And he's gonna say,
He
I broke
loves
his
you.
heart.
Oh my God, he loves you. Why you broke her heart?
I didn't. I don't do nothing.
My God, Ritzy.
And that kind of
Robert,
man,
Robert,
instead of
you
going
need-
to
you
come
need
to
to
me
run
talk,
away.
and then he goes to you. Eh.
Yes, because
Oh my
why?
God.
Diyan siya putang ina mo, yung English ko, Englishing na. Hirapan. Honey, ikaw naman mag-English ba?
Robert, if you're trying to get my attention and you're going to other side, no, Robert.
Ritzy, she is in love with Kaki. Who this fucking Kaki? Who's this fucking Kaki, huh?
How I'm in love with him?
Is Starry? Astaghfirullah. Starry
I'm in
is
love with him. Kaki choose me, right? Choose him. Oh my God, blah, blah, blah. With these people from other side of the world.
Don't love you, Just find another. I'm here. Wala.
Wala.
Don't
Here,
insert the
baby.
SIM card in the
Oh,
cellphone.
where is your lion? Robert, where is your lion, Robert?
Binog. And potato. Kari, oh my God, what time you sleep, bro?
Okay.
You always CCTV with ano?
Wait,
With
hold on,
Rich.
guys. I have to go now. Yeah, I'm going to.
Why? What happened to you,
Sleep na ka,
girl?
Melvina? Are you going to
I'm
sleep?
bored. No, I'm going to explore. I'm bored. I don't like fighting.
Why? Bye-bye,
Okay.
Melvina.
Yeah. Maybe see you
Bye-bye.
later.
Bye, bye, bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
Day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bakit ano?
Thank
Bakit
you.
hindi ka kasi nagsasalita?
I don't have geyser, that's why. I'm
Day,
going to.
hindi tayo magkakapira dito, day, giatay.
Away, lagi ka tabangan, lagi ko mag-away sa ilaha.
Oo.
Biskag, aptabangan ta ka, day. Dili hapon na, day.
Uy, Ritzy, inapod nang si imong gifta dito na, tagaan po siya sa Galaxy na lang.
Hi, ginoo ko.
Oo.
Ambot, kung maadto sila. Di na kailangan suguon.
Yawa, maning animal ni.
Tinuod diha nga akuan. Tinuod
Ina
nga.
ba? Puntahan mo yung isa doon, magbigay ka. Ganyan. Ang true friends. Ang kuan,
Hindi na, I have to go na. It's too late na.
good night. Good night, Binong.
Yes.
Run away.
Thank you.
Run away with me. You don't
Bye-bye, Day. Bye-bye, Day.
You can run away now, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Hawa
Love
na
you
na yun.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Hanap tayo ng lain yung isa. Isa para po.
Angel na lang. Oh, Robert, welcome back.
Asa gani.
Si Kuan na lang. Oh, si Angel. Wala man siya mag-ano. Wala man
Si
siya.
It's me kasi may kalaro siya eh. Sabi niya maglaro daw kami eh. Kasi may
Wala
ano
na.
niya.
Asa na?
Wala day. Sabi niya maglaro daw kami eh. Kaso ano man. Eto maganda to. Pero hindi ko alam kung seryoso or may raming MVP.
Hi, Maggie.
Hello, hala, Ritzy.
Problema natin sa buong mundo.
Hi!
Wala man ako dito, Yads.
Wala man din ako dito.
Sige lang, okay lang.
Where are you from, Robert? Where are you
Wait,
from?
tutubay to na ba to?
Opo. Where are you from,
Wait
Robert?
lang.
Bakit man?
Sige.
Ikaw na bahala sa akin, Ritzy. Wala ako dito.
Where are you from? I'm from California. Mashallah.
Wala din ako akin.
Wow, you're from California.
Yeah, wala ako ngayon kasi na ano na.
It's the first time someone coming in my life from California.
Wala na
Because
sila.
is from India, Pakistan, Algeria, Saudi. So this is the first time. I'm from Philippines, but I'm here in Saudi Arabia. I'm working in Saudi Arabia. How are you doing, Robert? How old are you? Day, asan mo ba na-meet tong isa, Day? Asan mo siya na-meet?
Hi, Larry.
Sa
Diri
TikTok
rapon.
Ha?
Diri rapon.
Dire.
Asa di ay?
That's cool. How is the M41? You're 41.
Ritzy, asa ka karon?
7 years old.
Ritzy,
Na ako sa kuan.
I'm here in Saudi Arabia, but I'm almost to go after 2 months. I will go Philippines.
Ako Netherlands.
Netherlands?
Ane! Inaanta ka
Hello,
na
kamay.
Usapin mo si Hamud. Usapin mo si Hamud. Guys, 3 roses. 3 rose. 3 rose. 1 rose.
Ritzy, unya ko
Tama,
man to
guys,
dapit ako ang mga kuan. Unya pa to
I'm
dapit
20.
ako ang mga
Thank you, Robert.
supporters.
Robert,
May work pa
give
sila.
you one.
Ay, grabe. Uy, Maki, buhi
Ay,
pa ka di.
gusto ko
Maki, asay mo, Rose. Pa ka di ha, Maki, o nahuman na ka. Atay?
Thank you.
Huwag mo parusa.
Kadyot lang. Manguan sa ko.
Uy,
That's it.
Angel.
Good, thank you.
Ako i-share akong live stream. Kadyot lang.
Tarong di ako.
Mohammed, do you have rose?
Asa ka?
Night and photo.
I'm here, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to you. Thank you, Robert.
Hi, Bernard. Vince, how are you doing,
What's your
Vince?
language, Robert?
Hello, Vince.
English or Arabic or what? Wait, thank you for chumi. Oh my God. Shukran. Thank you.
Let's go, guys.
Mo. It's late, wallah.
Unsa na oras sa dira? Si unsa na oras sa dira?
May camera for a while.
10 o'clock, 10:30.
You know, babe.
Robert, I'm 27 years old. Single? No married? Fresh pa ang bilat. Ay,
Pinindot.
see, fresh pa ang bilat.
Who's fresh? Your bilat is fresh? Good for you.
Yeah.
Wala na nakaiyot og kuanday 2 years.
DJ. Stop
Yes,
listening.
Single.
Invincible. Hello, Invincible. The local DJ.
Uy, iyot.
Yes. Mm.
Uy, pakadiha.
Humble and
Ay,
kind.
paday. Dali na lang. Ano na lang, day? 2 buwan na lang makakaiyot. Makakaiyot na ako, day. Yes, Robert, ay ang...
In 2
How about
months, you cannot
Always
iyot.
stay
In 2 months, you cannot
humble
iyot.
and kind.
Lagat ba yan, ano?
Thank you, DJ. DJ, you're the
In 2
best.
months, you cannot
pakadiha.
iyot.
Yeah, no iyot-iyot.
Well, Basil,
2
hello.
months makaiyot na.
I'm happy for
DJ,
you.
thank you. You're always helpful.
Ikaw.
What's
Robert, thank you.
Uy, I don't know.
I don't know. Why you don't know? Honey? Ay, anong ginagawa mo dyan, Day? Alam ko na
Ano ka
ginagawa.
makaiyot? I don't know.
Oh my God!
My girl, you're just excited to have iyot, ay. That's why you're like asking me when I will have iyot in... I don't know.
Snipe. Ano, thank you. Robert, thank you.
I will have iyot in... I don't know.
say thank you?
I don't know. Why you don't know?
Hey, DJ.
Why you don't know? Napaka-arte mo.
Always stay humble and kind.
Kailan ka maiiyutan? Uy! Baka i-translate nila.
Who knows?
Dahil lami, dahil na.
Siyempre.
Ha?
Siyempre, lami naman talagang iyot.
Correct.
Hindi ko naman i-ano yan. Lami naman talagang iyot. Pero, ako kasi ano na din.
So you have girlfriend
Itong
or
buwan.
you're single or you're looking or what? What?
Pitong buwan.
Sabi man yung 7 buwan. Oh.
7 ka buwan. Uy, sorry. Why you end up giving again tonight?
Robert, look, I miss King.
Oh, you have to ask to Robert again so he can give you?
No, wait.
Robert,
I'm not
give her,
asking.
Robert. Give her so she can keep going. Give her.
Can you hear me, Hamud? Hamud, can you hear me? Hello? Hi.
Because
Hindi ka natinig. Magpakita ka, sayang ang ganda mo.
Wait lang. Nagbe-vape pa ako. Nagbe-vape lang ako. I'm just vaping for a while.
What happened to you, Ritzy? You need to go to
Amo,
hospital.
thank you. Thank you so much.
You're
See?
making...
When I put headset,
Hello,
my
hello,
internet
hello.
really bad.
On the Rispin Town.
Just when you
Ani,
mute
kung ganyan
them.
yung, ano ko,
Ah,
yung,
okay.
yung mukha ko, hindi ko talaga i-hide.
Oh.
Don't hiding your, ano.
Nagbe-vape lang ako.
Beat is bad. Yalla.
I'm just vaping naman.
Bazel.
I'm also looking, Robert. Hey, look for me. DJ, welcome po.
Nabuang mo.
Chanel, Honey in Dubai.
Hi, Amut. Hi, everyone. Hi.
Robert, are you still here? Thank you for participating.
My
Now,
internet's so bad when I
Mag-invite
use
tayo.
How old did you see you were? Huh?
this.
How old did you see?
Yeah, Amut, I am right. When
Uy!
I use
I'm in
headphone,
Saudi. I'm 24
Headphone.
years old.
my internet's really
But
bad.
now, 20,
I'm loading.
and then 2 months after
Tamir, welcome back.
my country. And then next year I will go Abu Dhabi.
Tamir, welcome back, Tamir.
Yes. I'm too much ano yun. I come. I don't know nothing.
No, it's not
Yes,
bad.
that's right,
Okay.
Christine.
I see.
Yeah. Shut up, Ritzy. I'm talking to some.
I'm talking to Robert.
Don't talk to me. Nagpapalagayan na kami ng loob. Siguro magpapakasal kami bukas. Miggy, ang ganda naman ni Miggy. Uy.
Oh, ako na naman. Ako.
Naman ako po, Miggy.
Sana totoo yan.
Wala akong bigyan yan dito.
Wala ka po si Miggy. Nakay-bully lagi, yawa ka. Makakwarta man ko dahil sa iya ha. Kay tawayin man ako siya.
Kwarta mo ko dahil sa iya. Kaya man ako siya. Your Robert is broke. You know? Broke,
Robert,
you know? This tiny, so tiny. All of him very small. I don't like it.
Hi, Michael.
Amut, thank you, Amut. Amut, thank you.
How it's working then? It's hard because I don't have a day off. And then I miss my family. Very hard. It's not that easy to work abroad. If you're working in the house, too much. Not easy. It's a problem.
Your Robert running away. Your
Oni,
Robert running
Oni,
away.
Oni.
He's gone.
Kinuha ko lang din yun. I got you, don't worry. Hmm?
Your Robert run away. He's scared.
Robert, we need to... This
Yeah,
girl
he's
is
scared.
too much, Hi, Starry. Welcome.
Richie is very strong.
Abby, you're still alive, die.
Sorry, I'm just joking.
Oh,
That-
yeah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You broke.
Ayan na.
You broke.
How
Hindi na
can I
to.
broke?
Robert is like, oh, I'm
Hi,
just gonna
hi,
like
Mike.
trying to prove now that he's not
Starry is so much
gonna
broke. Starry is here also. He will be
don't
mine
care.
too.
and then he's gonna be
Until you don't have a gift.
no problem. May nagawa ka ng anak, Day.
Huh?
If Starry wants to be with you, it's good. He can be with you, okay? No problem. Enjoy.
And then look what are you saying?
Hi, Tom.
Amut, syukran.
Wala, ano na nangyari?
I told you I got you.
Viewers na Justin.
So,
Thank you.
Pagkatapos
Yes,
ganito,
Hamod.
pagkatapos
Hamod,
ganito,
yes.
one by one tayo, Christine. You want to one by one play with me, with Robert?
Oh. Mas maganda yun.
So then, magkapit-bahay na
Hamod,
tayo.
yes.
Robert, you want to one
Oh,
by one?
maganda yun.
Oh, why Starry is so much angry? What is this?
Girl,
No, it's
hungry?
Hamod.
Who's hungry?
Yes, Robert, I know. I
What,
got
Hamod,
you too.
Hamod? Yeah? You stole me, honey. You're calling my name.
What do you know? That Robert is broke? That he will only ghost night because you don't know how to play. No. Robert, go play. Robert, go play and roar.
Robert, you want to one by one?
Yeah, we play
Oh,
one
yes.
by one. I told you. One by one for
Oh, maganda yun.
one by one. 2 games. I will see if Robert can win. Never.
Guys, 2 roses. Shut up, girl. Shut up. One. Yes, thank you. Guys.
Okay,
Thank you,
after this how we
Hamod.
play
Thank
one
you,
by
Hamod.
one, okay? Tell Robert
Hi,
to
Daga.
and
Thank
get
you,
Robert.
Starry,
If you say
for the
yes, I will do.
rose.
If he don't want, you're like.
He started to say yes, but I will do
Valor, hello.
that. He didn't say yes.
Double,
I'm
double,
not going
double,
to
double.
ask it.
Robert, you want to play one by one or no? Wali-wali.
He's not gonna say yes because he knows.
Invincible. Hello, Invincible.
He's not gonna play one by one.
Okay.
No, he's not.
Ritzy promise her followers that she will
Yeah.
forgive.
It's fine. I'm gonna close
the
my
shower?
live soon as well.
What
we
you want
can
to see me
So
in the
it's fine.
shower?
It's fine.
If I lose, I take a
Just
shower.
rest and I'm okay.
Yeah, if I lose, I take a shower. Yeah, with my white shirt without.
This is my last.
I lose. Yeah. The white shirt. Okay, I shower.
Who have a booster and start second.
If he can make me lose, Robert, you cannot.
Hi, Amu. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot.
Shower is
And
needed.
really thank you. Yeah.
Why you don't like to
Really
take a
thank you so
shower?
much.
No, we don't-
Good night
don't
then.
want to see you
Sleep
shower
well.
because you're blue.
Be well. Be okay. Yeah,
Clint.
I'm gonna close my
Guys,
life as well. So.
who have a booster?
Hoy, Tari. Hoy, Robert, what's your problem with me, Robert? Your problem with me?
Run.
Hi, Atu.
Guys, this is my last match. I gotta go down.
Bakit?
Butler! Hi, Butler.
Oh, kanina pa ako naka-live.
Okay ra, Day. Okay ra.
No,
okay.
if
Okay
you
ra?
want,
Okay ra?
Robert, if you want
Mahawa ka.
by one, you'll Dai, mag one by one tayo, Dai. 2 months. Best of 3, okay?
Oo, kayong dalawa.
Day,
By one
Mickey.
kayo.
Pagkatapos, Day, Mickey, mag one by one. Sabi ni Christina kay may gifter daw siya doon na one by one sa kuas.
Sige. Mag-live lang sa ako kay mapamay pag-open
Okay,
ako.
pagtutugin. Okay.
She will do it.
Hoy,
Herman, she will do
sorry.
it.
Unya pa to ako ang mga
I
supporter.
told you.
Amod, really, thank you so much.
Christine, I
I got
told
you,
you.
Robert. I got you.
Hi,
Christine,
Huwag.
I told you. I have my word, okay? If Robert will make me lose, I take a shower, but I'm sure he can't make me lose.
Wala?
He's not even me. Because you know he can't. He just ran away.
I will get in a panel and bet her myself. Yala, go. Bet her.
Oh, beat me. What is your problem with me, guys, huh? Beat me.
Because
I
you
hope you
broke,
can-
Robert.
I hope you can beat my ass so hard.
Mother belong.
No problem.
Come here.
My ass.
Welcome to Mia.
Wait, guys, wait. Don't snipe now. It's okay.
Wait, guys, don't
Yalla,
snipe-
guys.
don't snipe
Guys, thank
David
you so
because we
much.
play
Good
one by
night.
one. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Sabi niya talaga, Day.
Hi,
Wait,
Coach
yeah.
Mark.
Huh?
Charity.
Bye-bye. Make it. Shut yung ubo ko.
Bye.
Invite lang ko niya.
Oh, 2 games raman me. 2 games raman.
Oo, sige.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Sige.
Baba ka na, bye-bye.
Yala, day.
What is...
Guys, we need, Robert, we need to win this match. She will do it, the shower.
I take a shower. Did I take out my brow already now?
Shut up. Your score is...
Robert, you just want to see me on the shower, Robert.
Tap. Uy, day. Isang gifter lang talaga ako dito. Siya lang talaga.
Hey, Robert, I told you, Robert is so bitter because I don't give him a respond to his message, and he's so bitter. Robert,
You will mine now, okay?
accept,
Don't
Robert,
worry.
that sometimes...
If you are there to me, I will show my love to you. My love. Every my life.
That's not how you show the love. If the person love you, they love you.
My liver, my back,
Yeah.
my legs, everything. Shut up.
Where is Robert? To play with you?
He always
Can
comes.
you say goodbye to your Can you say goodbye to your times 4 win? Say goodbye.
Robert, I have wins. We can't, not yet. What? Not yet.
He's just trying to put me to shower, but he can't put me because it's broke. Bread is broke.
So broke, Your story is too much. Oh my god. It's broke.
And
My god. What?
He see me later.
You're
And
small.
he's gonna see me later. Going to see me if I lose under the shower. He get more broke. His mind is gonna be broke. If he see me under the shower, he gets
bro?
his mind like this.
Well, you are only 6 and then you're almost you're talking too much. Look, I have score 43. What is this story? You need, if you're strong, story, you need to put the universe, TikTok universe. You're broke. Only for hand.
You want?
Robert, you're the best, wallah. The best, Robert.
What? Robert, you broke. Wala.
Early.
Wala. Robert is finish. Clar. Finish. He's broke. Robert is broke.
Wait na. The match. I always tell you, I got you.
No, don't make me lose, okay?
Just see your
I don't
gloves.
want to take a shower, okay?
You have gloves here. Put in the 30 seconds, okay? Magpa-sounds ka na nga, kayo magkanta tayo. Si atay.
Okay, you have to prepare your big snipe, Robert, because
Shut up! The best and it's just me.
sorry.
Of course, Robert. I got you, Robert. I got you, baby.
You say 2 games, huh? You say 2 games, right?
Sorry, broke 3. Oh, best of
Best of
Best of
3.
three, Habib.
Just 2 games.
Why?
If I lose
Shut
the both
up.
games,
Okay.
me. Just 2 games. If I lose the both games, okay, I take a shower.
You're the MVP girl. You will let her loose, okay? Snap in the last second. Not in the
Yeah.
last second. In the last second.
Snipe, 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 snipe.
Oh my god, what is this? Only booster? Why you put the booster? Astaghfirullah. Paya.
Where is he?
Wala.
Because he don't have
signal.
power.
He don't have signal. He don't have signal. Don't put the booster. As much.
Last one,
Now
huh?
he have. Yeah,
Here,
last one.
Here, if
Yeah,
I
two
lose,
game.
I take a shower. Okay, this last one. You said two, just two. Die.
Last
No,
one.
guys, siguro akong ubo, die. I just keep coughing. I don't know.
Times two. Whenever you send the game,
Pag stay sa dia, dahil di ka basta kailangan ako isa pa ka rose o niya, dahil kung na pa kay rose, dahil.
Robert.
Yun daw ko. What? Robert is still there? Go play, Robert. Play.
Wow.
Robert.
Wow.
Wow. Play.
Robert, the star is very small. Meow. Wait for the shower, girl. Wait for the shower, girl. Yes, it's just me and you, and she has like 8 people. Yes, we are you and me here. The power of
What about the both of you will go take a shower? The both of you, why are you encouraging me? He wants to see me and he wants me to get loose. I'm not gonna lose.
You have 8 people there, and then you, me, and Robert. We are 2 here. Astaghfirullah.
Yeah, I don't know that Robert is that angry to me. Robert, are you a kid?
Just me and you.
Like you?
We have
You
8
kid?
people.
You trying?
Broke. Wait for the shower.
Yeah, I told you I will take a shower. If
The punishment is shower now, you know.
yeah, no problem. Shower, but you can't put me to shower.
Wait, the double is open. Robert, do you have a gloves? Do you have a gloves? Whenever who win, we take a shower.
Kid, you ready there? You ready there to take a shower after this? You lose?
Wala? Can you go there in the gifts? And then they are, paano ba yun, Day? Maano yung mga gifts, Day? Yung, yung gloves.
I don't know. Don't ask me. Don't even know where.
God! And then, see the gloves there in the
Robert
side.
is angry to me because I don't give him.
Okay, you have a gloves. You have a gloves.
Robert, you're like a kid, Robert.
You're alone too. You have a gloves. You have too much gloves. Where's my phone here?
He
My phone
don't
is
even
not-
know where to find his gloves because he's just playing now because he hate me.
Because Robert is very, very new in TikTok. Shut up, girl.
Girl, Robert, you on TikTok, girl. I told you I know Robert. He's not new on TikTok.
No. She don't. Robert is mine, not yours, okay?
Never claim him. Don't worry.
Stop. Ay, ikaw, sa'yo pala to. Robert, find the gloves there. Find the gloves in the gift. Find the gloves there. I know you have a gloves, Habibi. I know you have a gloves. You need to put in the 30 seconds. You need to put in the 30 seconds. Get ready for the punishment. Okay?
Yeah, I'm getting ready.
Yalla.
I told you if I lose, I take a shower. If
See, your gloves is made in China. Robert is not He play without gloves. What is this? Uwi na kayo.
atay,
Sige na.
ilong. Yeah, go play. Go snipe. Study, girl. Study. Study, please.
Yeah, it's beside the exclusive, Robert. See, why you use the gloves? Astaghfirullah. The gloves is not it's not
Goodbye.
allowed.
Goodbye.
Without the booster, you need to play without the booster. We don't
Girl,
need.
Kristen, you literally keep asking Robert, find a poster, find the gloves. I know you have gloves. You literally keep asking him.
Yeah. I don't know where. That's why he asking me. Beside the exclusive, Robert. Yeah. See there. You has so many people. It's okay, Robert. Broke. That's all.
Girl, goodbye, girl, because I'm finished to play with you. Cause
Maybe your people have no money.
no, I said it was 2 games.
No, 8 people are there, and then Robert is only 1. What is this? Shuhada. My God, what is this? And then now you want to run away because your gifter is poor now.
Not running away.
Poor now. Yala, last match, girl. Last match. This is the last match, wallah. Yawa mo ka ba?
You literally want to play for last one. Literally, one more? Really?
Girl, you and Harry. Okay? Me and Robert. Don't ask someone to play.
Oh,
Me and Robert. Okay?
really? Yeah, really, because she wants to really put me to joking when I said Robert is the guy from me. I don't give him a so and now he wants to
Robert,
fight
you
with me.
and me and Ritzy and Harry, okay?
You and me and you, the both of you
Yeah,
is
this
bro.
girl is too much talking. Times two.
Times to Robert. Stop
Thank you.
playing Robert because you're gonna be broke.
Okay? What you talking? No. I don't hear you because I mute you. What? Hi. Hello.
What?
Hi,
Hi.
hello.
Go tell Robert to play with you, okay?
Hi, girl. Hello? Where Ritzy? Where's Ritzy now?
Where's
Why
Robert?
she's not talking to me.
Robert is looking for someone to where he can sell his
Why
car
she's
and
not
his
talking to
house
me?
and
Astaghfirullah, what is this?
Robert is looking for a
Robert,
buyer.
can you see
for
there
his
in the
wife.
exclusive what is this? Beside the exclusive, just click the exclusive here. Maybe you have
Oh,
gloves.
you're trying
See?
to find the Monster, but you're saying Star is
Roast
playing
chicken,
with
welcome.
Monster.
Steven, nasa Pinas ka? Gaaway lang kami dito. Amir, welcome Amir. Oh my God, made in China again?
Where are your booster?
The
He
booster
can't
is not
find his
allowed.
booster.
Don't use the booster.
His booster because
It's
he
made
don't
in
know.
China. It's made in
Dai,
China.
Raquel! Laro na tayo. Gigil ako dito.
Made in China. Made in China.
The one who China girl, you really
See?
like you're the one who made in China.
Habibti. Your boot.
Habibi,
You know
they
my
will
booster?
only go snipe Habibi.
This is
They don't know
expensive
how.
booster. If I use it, if Robert use it, we will become rich. is
Yeah.
very,
Palaging sabi-sabi yan, madam. Sabi yan,
made in
ganun.
China. China, made in China.
Ay, made in China.
Robert,
Bahala
if you
ka
have the
dyan.
gloves, if you have the gloves, just put in the 30 seconds. Okay? We need to put in the 30 seconds. If you have there, you can put.
Go find your... Look on Monday, okay,
I
I'll
don't
find.
talk anymore.
I will ask
I don't
Zaf
talk
to
anymore.
put me something on for, I don't know, tomorrow, Sunday. She go to me. I go to her. I don't know.
What is this? You're too much talking here.
I don't want to keep talking, okay? Because I have my throat painful. It's not worth it to keep telling your Robert there to play. He's not gonna play.
Let's see.
We'll see if he's gonna play.
The
You
game is
said
not
this is last game, right? You asked
last match. Robert, if you have gloves, you can put in the 30 seconds. You can put now.
didn't find
If you
it
want.
because
If you
you
have.
don't know.
If you don't have, just it's okay.
It's okay.
See? Messed again?
Let Robert cry. Let him cry. Let
We
him
don't talk
cry.
anymore. We don't talk anymore.
Pero bakit
Snipe,
mag-live ka ngayon?
snipe,
Mag-live ka ngayon?
snipe, snipe.
Wow.
Wow,
Get
the shower ready.
Huh?
Shower daw.
What's it? Me? I will take a shower? How?
Yes.
Girl, the shower was the last 2 games. This wasn't included.
No, you play
Is this
with me one.
working?
You play with me one match. You need to get shower because you tell earlier. Yeah, you tell earlier. If you lose, you will get shower.
Girl! Really? I said, oh
Ito
my
na lang,
God.
oh, papuntahin mo na lang siya dyan. Papuntahin mo na
No,
lang siya
I
dyan.
don't care. Okay. This last one, okay? You really want to play? You want me
No.
to go shower? No. Girl, you need to know how to make a deal. The
I
last
will
2
deal with
games
you.
was with shower. You asked me for last game? No. Not
Wait,
like
wait.
that.
Robert is not here. Robert is not here. He go.
Yeah, because Robert is literally here because I told you, he just want to see me shower, but the both of you don't know how to make a deal. Can you do that? First start with that. I-accept mo,
Yeah.
bigay palagi na. I-accept
Robert,
mo, hatag
you
palagi na. I-accept mo, hatag palagi na.
Sige, sige. Atay,
Yes,
gitawag
sir.
ba uday?
Yeah, you
Lagi
tell
tawag
Robert,
ba?
this game. The both of you need to know how to make an agreement. Are you guys playing with me? The deal was just us. She had 8 people. What?
I don't have it yet. Only Robert and me. We're alone.
What, is you and Robert will take a shower right now? Because I don't understand, girl. Me and Robert. I don't understand, girl.
But Robert, she don't want to play. She don't want to get a punishment. Because she tells only 2 games.
Christine, I told you, girl, you need to make it clear. Use this one, and make it clear, okay? Because I told you,
Okay?
we're playing for 2 games. We're saying if I lose with that, I'm going to take a shower. Girl, I win.
Wait lang. Sabi niya, oh, wait lang. The deal was just us. She had 8 people and it was just me. She's alone here.
Well, I also just have study one giving me. Is it problem?
The deal is the deal. You need to follow the punishment. Okay, this is the last match. Wala. Last match, bebe. Day, makit na ko. Day, giatay ka. Gitawag ko.
Day, bakit ako na use your brain, Day? Use your
Yawa.
brain. You and Jackson need to use your brain.
You too. Use your brain. So he won. Just me, so he won. Yeah. You have 8 people there and then you are alone. Kalas, Robert.
You guys are very messy. I don't understand the both of you. Can you count?
We are so much
Familiar.
strong.
Yeah,
His
yeah.
style is very small. He broke. You broke my heart. You broke my
Yeah,
heart.
let's snipe it.
You broke my heart. His story is very small.
Kabobo? Mag-shower naman talaga ako.
We put in work. Dahil last match na ayaw pag-shower. Oy, giatay man ka. Last na niya. Kay gitawag ko, yawa ka. Ritzy?
Yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Puta.
What?
Robert. It's okay, Robert. Because my phone is now carbon. Ay, Lord.
Ay, Raquel. Buti pa sabihin mo sa akin, maglaro ka na dyan at magpaawayan natin sila ni Chris.
You murk me. Tell her as
Oh, my heart.
Oh, Ritzy, wait, Ritzy.
Yes.
Tell her as dab for the shower. Wait for the shower. Wait for the shower.
Okay. I
Yalla.
wait.
You broke her first. Why you broke? Why you broke, Robert? Why you not Robert choose Robert with Harry? Story. What is this? Use dab and get a Use dove and get a good ladder.
Yeah. With your, don't know how to understand.
Giapil-apil man ko nimo diri day nga wa man koy ano day.
I'm so shy na, oy. I'm so shy.
Ha?
I'm so shy.
Nag ano ra ko. Listening you.
Robert, you didn't win, Robert. You spent your whole house. And you didn't even win. Dai, grabe naman talaga. Very big. Hoy, Starry, I told you. Yen. You see Yen now, Starry? Yen and his very big heart. Just Yen and her big heart. Robert, you know what? Next time, you need to make clear, okay? Yes, that's the question. Very serious. Doing good? You still have allowance, Robert? Yes, and her big heart. Oh, I want that big heart too. Sorry, I want that big heart also. Sorry. Wait, where is Yenyen? I literally go to see her because I want to see her. Yen, asa ka, oy? Uy, asa ka, day? Luluwa. You can have it. Sorry, what if you have my heart? Oras mo'y lumipas na. Lalahuya sa ganda. All my life. Oh, who has your heart? My heart is in my heart, obviously. Dahil maglaro tayo, Dai, kasi baka may mag-ano dyan. Grabe talaga, lucky talaga dyan, Dai. Gusto ko talaga yung iyo.
Sila ay. Karon ra ulit ko nag-live.
Sige, sige na lagi live kay para na mo hatag kay awayon tika kay rumong hatag sila.
Basic ulo.
Yen. You know what? You have a very big heart, but your people don't have. That's the problem. You have very big heart there, but your people is broke. They're very small.
I said you have a very big. Did you hear that, guys? I have a big heart, but no one give me gift.
Yeah, you have a very big heart, but no one can drop you because they're all broke. They're small. With broke. Yeah.
They're all.
Yen. Be? Yen have 30 people. You have 30 people, no one can drop you.
Yeah.
They have to try to your big heart. So, nakuha lang yan na, day.
Ay, kabala ka. Ito, hapit na.
Nakita akong ate manon diri.
Sorry.
What? You say I'm always having mine and then you mention study. No study. Oh, I told you. I told study I want to have like that.
Sorry, listen to her. She wants to have like this. Support her. Pero kung di
Hoy, pahatag mo gross diha. Ha?
Pero kung naa ka diri, saran mo kagabi iday trabaho.
Sa man ako pagtrabaho ano sa gabi, pati man ako ang mga 3,000 sa Philippines. Dahil napa kay Rose, dahil wala na. You're perfect. I'm not perfect. What perfect? Sorry, have you tried me? Am I perfect? Am I perfect? Oh, my friend don't have roses naman, oy. Hoy, look. And then Robert goes to Yen again. Go, Robert. Go, Robert. You can do this, Robert. Be careful that you cannot, sell your house, okay? Dahil, nung nagpagawa ka dati, gamay rang imong hatas. Ipadako yun, dako na gamay.
Naanak yun ko pero may anak magugong usama o medyo, kuan siya ba? Yun, dili na siya tindog kay naanak ko. So,
yeah. Karon ni tindog na, no?
Tindog. Pag makatindog po siya.
Eh, tindog na giday siya karon.
Oo, pwede makatindog po siya tawa.
Ay! Pila na ka sisi, pila na ka kuan.
425.
Pila?
425.
425. Pero ko ana.
Dako ra kayo, gusto gay nako pagamian siya.
Uy, dili oy, ganahan gid kay mura na gud siya tunay. Ayaw oy.
Pabitaw diri.
Ay dako. Kana akong friend ay dako jud di ay.
Dako siya. Na ano gani ko kay gamay kay kung lawas ba niya. Ay, Diyos ko Lord.
Di paayo na pud mo magasto na pag dako.
Oh, sige. Pero gusto na ako siya pag kay gamay manggugog lawas doon. Dauna ang yutots, guys. Dauna ang yutots.
Di ganahan ko na. I like that.
Sana ka na ngayon. Mag-research ka ng doktor. Daghan kay doktor nga maayo sa
Yeah.
Pagdulaan kay isa kung homo ka siya.
Hoy, Robert, I don't want you anymore, Robert. Gusto yan, Robert. I don't want you anymore.
Kinsa man na.
Not anymore. It's too late. You fight with me for a long time. And you wanted to see me shower, huh? You go to yan. Cause yan. You are not loyal, so why do I have to? Excuse me, Robert. do it.
He's jealous.
Robert, I'm not loyal. Have you tried to like? Yeah, okay. You tried to talk to me, but then I reply you. That's the reason why, Robert. I don't talk to everyone because I'm talking to someone. Okay, and I don't talk to everyone. Okay, sorry if I don't reply your message.
Who are you talking with? Who are you talking with someone? Who's that someone?
What did you guys? Yeah, I don't care. Except they don't laugh, Robert, because you're not being funny. Your wife is the one who's not loyal. I'm just kidding. Robert, your wife is the one who's not loyal. And I hope you know. Yatay man ni sila dayo, di man
Wala
makatag
namang
ko
galay
ng
nila
dilag
ay
ko
gamatch
karon
wala ni Mia.
Dili na lagi live si Mia. Talagsa lagi siya mag-live dai.
Pero may dating show sila, dating live.
Siguro nag-usabi ang time kaya dapat mga inaron kaya magla-live man siya. Dahil
Wala
dili na
namang
ako
nakita niya ga live.
dahil makitaan man ako siya mag-live pero talagsa ra kayo.
Pasig busy.
Nag-ana man gud to siya last time like na busy daw siya sa other platform ana mo gud to siya. Mga gyapon live gyapon pero sa lain nga kuan. Sa lain nga
Basta dito siya nag-live firm.
murag sa UF bro to UF.
Oo.
Ang buto eh.
Dako man gud dito.
Nag-testing ka dito?
Wala ko yung Pero base,
Kung mag-try ka ako dito, madawat
oo
ka ako.
naman. Pero niingon sila dili naman tanan nga nagkuan dito ka ng bulgaran. Bisag unsa ray mo ginahimo, magluto ka, magsayaw, pwede nimong i-post dito. Ingon sila dako daw.
Onya, sir, i-download gina siya, apps na
Dili
siya,
sila
no?
makakita sa imuhang kuan kuno sa imuhang mga gipang post kung dili sila mag-subscribe, kung di sila mo bayad.
Kana imo og gamitan ako kay lami kay imong kuan o hinaharap.
Mahadlok man ko oy. Mahadlok ko gingon.
Di ba duwa ta kaisa jud. Day makakuan ko na makakwarta kay kana ba kay dako
Pero
kay mo ano.
naaman kani akong giubrahan ron man pud siya. Muobra ko Biyernes Sabado ra siya, dako pud siya.
Mga tagpila. Dako jud.
Maka 150 plus ko sa ato ang kwarta, 150,000 plus so sa kagabi eh.
And tagpila ka sa isa ka semana mag-duty.
Usahay tulo.
Kung 100 plus sa atong kwarta.
2 plus.
sa
2.6 akong kuan, 2.6 ganun. 2 Oo, parang ganun. Pinakadako na ko ato 2.6.
yung madawat ka kung ano unsa man magsaysayaw ta madawat ka
Kung
kuan.
dawat ka buang. Ikaw pa. Kung ganun ka sa sa client, uli gabi yung iba doon kasi baguhan pa ako tapos mahiyain. Mauli sila usahay 5K. 5K. Pilipina man po. Tulumi ka Pilipina.
Pero umarag unsa man ka ng club na siya or something. Marag wala mo tingin na diri sa kuwa dapit mga doon
Na walang kakabalo. Dali ra ka ang kwarta day as in.
Like if I they will like me.
Nagay ko anhi diri kay sulod ta duha ta dito. Kita gid diri duha ra na nimo kagabi imong jutots day. Flight day ka pabalik na Pilipinas sa bagay. Kaso wala mang
Sige.
katilingon.
Sige, I think of it. Ay, pag-isipan. Pero, dahil di man ako makita na kung kagalingon kay, di man ko kumurag, di man ko kay ko ka ng panbitaw.
Magi ko kabalo nga musulod ko sa pagiging dancer kay ano ko ulawon. Tapos dili ko, siguro bura ko flirty ra sa mga video pero dili ko ingana. Ano lang, dako mang kwarta so why not, di ba? Grab the opportunity.
Dako jud na, Christine, di pare sa imo nga gamay. Look, Christine, I told you, Robert is here with me. Because he's from me and you're thinking like, he likes you? Robert, you're making Christine believe that you like her. Oh my God. You have to talk to her, Robert. She's gonna be broken with her heart.
Wala na. Gitosta na nimo si Rob.
Uy, what is with I love you?
Don't say I love you because Starry will get mad. Starry will get mad.
Dapat kabuang naman sila, day. Uy, day, dili jud ko maulian, day,
Uy, nakakikuan pag kanang ginger.
I have something.
Di, ginger, magkuang ka kanang imong ilagay sa imong ano lang, baba.
Ginger. No, the thing is like my throat is itchy, that's why. And then I have a cough, but it's very dry.
Katul siya.
Katul. Oh, talawa. Like, mo shake akong... sakit naman taani, dire.
Ginger. Mag-ugom kog ginger. Hi, Nick from Vegas. Oh, are you from Vegas? I'm in Vegas too.
Nga naman, day. Yes. Nga naman, day. Nga mabuang mo tala sa Sunday. Merdly ko. I think, day, kung nari pa ko sa Sunday, dili tayo kakitaon. I know, Robert, that you're just kidding, Robert. And so I'm playing with you. But yes, I will think of it. Maybe I reply you, okay? Maybe I reply you, Robert. For ano? Maybe? If you ask me, Robert, if you ask me to reply you, maybe. Day mawa na ka, day. Okay na sa'yo magduwa pa ta, day.
Abi na ako matulog na ka.
Di pa ko matulog kay kanang mangit lagi kong kwarta, day. Kay, apit na lagi kong uli niya.
Muli.
August.
Ay, August, July.
Uy, oh my God. You know what, Robert, Christine is getting hurt because she really thinks that you like her already. Oh my God, I told you I will think about it if I will reply Robert or not. I told you I will think if I will reply to him, but if I reply to him, it's for nothing. Why you, Christine? Boang nakada Christine? Dakuha bitaw ani. Uy, Robert, you don't have to teach me if I'm loyal, okay? Because I can't even handle myself. Why I'm going to handle a lot. Don't tell me. You don't have to tell me if I have to be loyal. Okay? What if I really don't want to be serious? What if I just really want to play all of the guys? 20 guys here. I'm talking. So many guys. I talk. A lot of them. I meet them every day. I like it. Buang, I enjoy so much. Ha? Is that what you want to hear? Life is rice is life to me. Dai, bye-bye na Dai. Bye-bye. Thank you, Dai. Good night, guys, everyone, okay? Bye-bye.